All right, this is a 2003 Jeep Liberty Sport 4-inch build. So whenever you hear someone say to pound the pinch welds, it's basically there's going to be a gap right here, and you're also going to have your fender flare come out and go around that little hump and then back in. So literally what you want to do is just, if you want to, you could cut it down with a cutoff tool and then weld up the center or whatever if you want to be perfect. But if you're like most people, just get a sledgehammer and just beat the living hell out of it. Make sure you spray paint it something else, because you don't want, you just don't want rust in your vehicle, okay? But, you do you, but your pinch welds, you really do need to pound them in. And then for the rear, I haven't done it yet, but I do have them peeking out here from too much flex. We'll have to beat that upwards a little bit. May end up taking off some of the flare. But there you go.